साथियों, इस वेबिनार के संयोजक शर्मा जी को मेरा धन्यवाद, जिनकी वजह से मुझे आज ये अपना शोध पत्र प्रस्तुत करने का अवसर प्राप्त हुआ है। मेरे शोध का विषय है साइंटिफिक अप्रोच एंड इंडियन ट्रेडिशनल वैल्यूज़, ए कम्प्रहेंसिव ओवरव्यू ड्यूरिंग कोविड-19 era. The world facing serious health issue of coronavirus disease. It is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered virus known as corona. WHO gives a new name, COVID-19. This virus seems to be very contagious and has quickly spread globally. It has sandwich-like structure containing RNA associated with nucleoprotein surrounded by lipid or fatty membrane. Older people and those with underlying medical problem like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. The COVID-19 virus spread primarily through droplets of saliva and discharge from nose when an infected person cough or sneeze. In India, the first case reported in February. Till the date, COVID-19 positive case approached near about 1.5 lakhs. At this time, there is no proper specific treatment or specific vaccine for COVID-19. The best way is prevention to slow down transmission. The scientific approach, such as personal hygiene and sanitation, prescribed by WHO and medical experts. The another way to prevent it by traditional Indian practices like yoga, medication, healthy diet, and naturopathy for immunity boosting. In my study, I use some scientific theories such as materials and their interrelation with Indian concept as a method. These scientific concepts are Bohr concept, Darwin concept, and hygiene concepts. Experimental. When the world is, as well as our country, facing serious health issue arising due to pandemic COVID-19, it is time to self-introspection. Why we are in a situation? The answer lies in our traditional values. In India, we used to pray nature, we used to pray river, we used to pray tree, we used to pray mountain. Our beliefs lies in spiritual value, but nowadays we got detached with our values in the light of physical world, where our desire ruled us and we used to exploit nature. Because of the over exploitation of nature got disturbed. The consequences we facing: the heavy monsoon, heavy rainfall, change in the monsoon, drought situation, global increase in temperature. So during pandemic era, it is right time to go back to your roots in a scientific manner. According to our spiritual and Hindu beliefs, every living being linked with Atma, which is micro and immortal. Whereas scientific theory of Bohr says that the wave particle duality concept, according to which every moving particle contain a wave. According to Darwin theory, one who survive, who is most fit. But in according to our Hindu concept, Hindu beliefs, we believes in the Vasudeva Kutumbakam concept. Now come to the last point, which is hygiene and sanitation. According to WHO, poor sanitation is linked to transmission of this disease. But this sanitation concept, hygiene concept, is not new for us. We used to apply it in our daily life. We used to plantation of tree. We pray for tree to get pure air. We prayed for river to get pure healthy water. Avoid washing our homes during Diwali is good example of sanitation. Washing our hand during eating food, during our puja, it is good example of personal hygiene. It is not new for us. So our moral values, spiritual concept, in addition to scientific approach, are well related with each other and correlated to each other. Resultant discussion. From present discussion, we conclude that these type of situation gives us opportunity to look back and start to build a new society which follow ethics, believes in social value. Same time, younger generation teach scientific approach. So it is our duty to build a scientific temperature among our society. It means approach should be scientific and logical, which is based upon scientific tools and facts. It means by the balanced use of modern science and spiritual value, we can build a society which can overcome this COVID-19 type disease. Namaskar.